impossible.
Yeah, I didn't think you were a liar.
Guys! We're getting together next week to celebrate Joey's promotion. How's Monday sound?
Oh, I can't do Monday. I got Sarah's niece's communion.
I thought Kathy was Sarah's niece.
No, Kathy's our second niece by in-law.
Right. But that was before the divorce. Now she's dating Ronnie.
Ronnie the redhead.
No, Ronnie the runner, el Dragstar.
He's a fast kid.
It makes me want to move.
You see him running every night.
Like a gazelle.
Very fast. Very
All right. How about Tuesday?
Tuesday's Leo and Jackie's wedding.
Oh my God, is that Tuesday?
Jackie's wedding. The cutest wedding.
No more endless discussions. Make the group decision quickly with a poll on the Band app, then post it as an announcement to everyone. Done. Being a leader has never been easier. Band, trusted by 8 million leaders worldwide.